Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn difference between delete, drop and truncate in SQL Server Management Studio. In delete we are basically removing specific data by using where condition inside our table. In drop we are totally delete our table, and truncate we are deleting all the data excluding our heading. So first of all we learn how to use our query for this. First of all, I have taken three database for an example, like Abhinas. Here you can finding, and demo one, and another one is pivot. In between, you just find out inside Abhinas database there is a table called employee. Then you have find out in demo there is a table called sales data, and if you are finding here in pivot table there is a table called pivot. First of all, we just learn how to delete data from our table. So that first we have you write query. Because I have three database, so I am using database. In database using, I am first of all I am using Abhinas database. Use. If I run it, here it's successfully executed. Then first learn how to delete data from our table. So that write query delete from our database name. Database name is Abhinas. Delete from our table. Sorry, we just first write our table name. Table name is here employee. Then we just put a where condition. In where condition, basically in delete command we just use where condition, and truncate we don't use where condition for deleting our data. Where first we just see our data. Select star from employee. If we run this command, we found our data. Here you can find 5 column name and some department ID and employee name. So in deleting our data, first we are just taking an example. Department ID is equal to 2. Department ID is equal to, inside the single quote we write 2. Just given. If we execute this statement, 4 row affected. After that, if we just re-execute, we just find out here is department ID 2 is deleted. Like that we are using drop statement. For that I am using another database. In here we just use our database like demo. Inside demo our data sales data present. Use demo our database name. If we execute, yes, it is successfully executed. After that we just find out our data. Select star from our table name is sales data. If we run it, we just find out our all data from here. Here is our total data. we in this statement we just drop our table, so that for writing query, drop table, then table name our is sales data, sales underscore data. If we execute, it is successfully executed. After that, if we find out a data, there is no data, our table is totally dropped. Then after, we just use truncate function. In truncate function, as we were previously telling, like in delete command we are just using the where condition. In truncate we don't use the where condition. It will totally drop our data, excluding our table heading. So that first of all, use database name is, suppose, taking pivot, and give a note, use database. If we execute this query, we'll redirect to our pivot database. After that, we just see our data, select star from our table name is here, like pivot. Okay, pivot. Just run it once. We just find out our data. Here is some 3 column category, date and value. We just use truncate function for deleting our data. In truncate, we just only column name will be present and another data will be deleted. So that for write truncate, table, then our table name is pivot. If we run it, or yes, successfully completed. Again, if we find out our data, we can find the only table heading will be present and another data will be deleted. The thing is, in drop, delete and truncate statement, delete statement we just use where condition, and truncate we don't use where condition. In delete statement, only the data we are selecting, this data will be deleted, and truncate, it will totally deleted all the data present inside our table and excluding our heading. And like in drop statement, it totally drop our table. That's all about for today. Thank you.